Today I'm going to show you 5 very beginner-friendly ways to secure your wig. These techniques can be used on their own, but can also be combined to find the perfect install that works for you. I find that no lace wigs are quite simple to secure, but lace wigs need a little more finessing because we didn't buy a lace wig for it to not look natural, right? Absolutely every product that I use will be linked in the video description. Let's get into it. Clips and bobby pins are the ultimate lazy girl install. Okay, first things first, my British viewers are like, what the hell are bobby pins? They are just metal hairpins. I'm pretty sure you guys call them Kirby grips, maybe? I don't know. Okay, great. I'm glad we got that all sorted out. It seems so obvious, but these guys are the easiest and one of the quickest ways to secure your wig. This technique will work for all types of wigs, but just don't force your bobby pin through any lace, okay? We do not want that. If we're using this technique for a full lace wig, just keep the bobby pins to around the hairline, and that should be enough to keep it in place really well. But what about the front hairline, I hear you ask? Now, you know we can't just forget about the front because, as we've already talked about in this video, an unrealistic hairline is one of the main things that can make your wig look fake. So what I've done here is I've actually just applied these clips, and you can use bobby pins, snap clips, or these guys. So basically I just slide these under my wig cap and into my own hair. If you do this, your wig is not going to go anywhere, and as you can see, it actually lays the lace pretty flat considering we haven't used any adhesive or glue. And this is also a pretty cute style too. Next up we have wig grips. Personally, I use the Wig Fix from The Renatural, and I've been using this one since early 2020, maybe even before. This is a flexible, hypoallergenic silicone headband. They come in a bunch of different shades, but I use the transparent one. This product was originally designed and patented by a woman in the UK, and unfortunately, like so many other unique and innovative ideas, it was ripped off pretty much instantly by Shein and friends. It really sucked to see yet another small business have their work plagiarized and not be able to do a thing about it. So over the years, I've done my very best to keep people educated about the original designer of this product. I also have this velvet wig grip, and it works great, but honestly I find it to be a little bit bulky under my wig, so I don't love that one. I can't even remember where I got this one, so yeah, super helpful, I know. Now, I'm not going to lie, these bands are cheaper to buy on AliExpress and websites like that, but they are way inferior in quality, and knowing what I know about Temu and similar companies, I would not like something that has potentially deadly amounts of poison sitting on my skin for any amount of time. But that's a different video. I really hate these companies. So if you can, please do your best to support the small business that's responsible for creating this original product. When you're wearing this band, I promise your wig is going nowhere. But I have heard some people complain that the band is a little bit too tight for their head. There is a way to fix this, however. So you just get the band and put it on something that's gonna stretch it out a little bit. This could be a mannequin head, a big solid book, or something else that I can't think of right now. Use your imagination. Just leave it on that object when you're not using it, and that will help loosen it up a little bit. As much as I love this product, your wig is only going to look as realistic as the lace allows. So if you want to combine the wig grip for security with a product that's going to make the lace look much more melted, but is also really easy to use, you need to try wig tape. I discovered wig tape by accident, and I'm so happy that I did. I used to do tape-in extensions from home, and when I stopped, I had tons of tape left over. So one day I just thought, extension tape and wig tape are both double-sided tape that's made for hair stuff. Is it the same thing? Turns out it is. I'd never tried out wig tape before, so I tested my theory, and it worked so well. It's now my go-to for the quickest and simplest install ever. The best thing about wig tape is that it's a secure hold, but it also melts your lace. And obviously it's super quick too. Look how good that is. By the way, I just wanted to quickly remind you to please subscribe. It really helps my small channel and my small business. Thank you so much for your support, and now back to the video. Something I like to do with my wigs is sew extension clips into the back, especially in full lace wigs. That way you don't have to worry about securing the back of your unit if you're wearing a full lace wig. I find when these are clipped in, it makes it so much easier to achieve an updo, but that's just my little hack and I wanted to add it in here in case it helps somebody else. Obviously, that's only going to be good for securing down the back of your wig and is best used in conjunction with another technique such as wig tape, so your wig is secure and looks great at the front too. My next hack is using a bandana or headband. If you're in a really big rush, you can just throw on a headband and cover that hairline while also giving your wig extra security. If you'd like to watch my beginner-friendly tutorial of how to melt your lace to the gods, watch this video next.